Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common problem where the screen on your Thermomix TM31 stays completely black. This issue may arise due to a faulty display connection or a malfunctioning screen. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, rendering your device unusable and impacting your cooking experience. To get started on the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, and a replacement screen for your Thermomix TM31. First, ensure your device is unplugged from the power source. Begin by carefully removing the screws located at the back of the Thermomix. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the back panel. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the panel, taking care not to force it as this may damage the clips holding it in place. With the back panel removed, you will be able to see the internal components. The next step is to locate the display connection. This is typically found at the top of the internal assembly. Carefully inspect the connection to see if it is loose or damaged. If you find that the connector is loose, gently press it back into place. If the screen appears damaged, you will need to extract it. To do this, carefully disconnect the cable attached to the screen by using your flathead screwdriver to lift the connector gently. Take your spudger and slide it between the screen and the casing to carefully pry it out. Be cautious not to apply too much force as this could damage other components nearby. Once the old screen is removed, take your replacement screen and connect it to the device, ensuring the connection is secure. Remember to align it properly before pressing down. After the new screen is in place, carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you previously removed. When tightening the screws, make sure not to over-tighten them as this could strip the threads. Now, plug your Thermomix back in and power it on. Check that the screen is functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you handle your Thermomix with care and avoid any spills that could damage the internal components. Regularly check the connections if you notice any irregularities with the screen. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.